So good day. We're discuss object-oriented database management system. So we are Tim Lemor and this is our group mates. So first me. So my name is Mel Mateo Jr. And the other three is Martinez Jerome, Manito Joaquin, and Tixon Clarence. What is OODBMS? An object-oriented database management system or OODBMS is a database management system that supports the creation and modeling of data as objects. OODBMS also includes support for classes of object and the inheritance of class properties. It incorporates methods, subclasses, and their projects. Most of the object databases also offer some kind of query language, permitting objects to be found through a declarative programming approach. So here's the characteristic of OODBMS. So first is support complex database data types. An OODBMS support complicated data types such as audio, video, image, and documents, which cannot be handled by traditional databases. It allows developers to store and retrieve data as an object in the same format, which it had in its application context. Second one is the provide high performance. OODBMS support efficient data access, climate data redundancy, and provide faster transaction processing. It provides high performance operations for retrieving data that meet client demands without causing the system to overload. Next is enable data modeling. OODBMS enable developer to map software entities into data tables when developing systems. It allows them to create object models, design object relationship graph, and represent hierarchies in the form of classes. Next is object identification and indexing. OODBMS provides a unique identifier for each object that lets them retrieve it quickly. Also, through distributed databases, index queries permit them to operate a database from various nodes simultaneously. And the last one is support to object versioning and concurrency. When an object is modified in a system, it creates a new version of the object which can easily roll back to prior state if the new changes are reversed.
Example of OODB, Gemstones, is an object database system based on Smalltalk, an object-oriented programming language influenced by Java. Developers who write application in Smalltalk adapt easily to this database. Gemstones integrate seamlessly with existing Smalltalk application, improving speed and productivity. ObjectDB is not an SQL object database for the Java programming language. Compared to other NoSQL databases, ObjectDB is an ACID complaint. ObjectDB does not provide an API and requires using one of the two built-in Java database API. JPA, based on Java syntax. JDO, based on SQL syntax.
The advantage of OODBMS is reusability makes our data faster and maintenance is also easy. Complex data also can be handled very easy. Data can be handled very easy and can save easily and retrieve data quickly. And the disadvantage of OODBMS is complexity makes data difficult to read and more expensive. The user will not have access to individual classes or objects. Object-oriented database don't provide any abuse mechanism but provide many advantages like data independent security and customization.